Hi guys, in today's episode of Let's Talk Tips, I want to talk to you guys about making the perfect sugar syrup to coat your kurma or your gulab jamun. To make this, I like using a stainless steel pot, a wooden spoon and a plastic bowl. It makes life much easier using a plastic bowl for cleanup because the sugar syrup doesn't cling. So to make this, we're going in our pot with some sugar and water, and the ratio for half of a pound is half a cup of sugar and a quarter cup of water. Place that onto your stove and you're going to bring this up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, you want to make sure that sugar is dissolved, and while you're stirring it and you see those fine bubbles forming, when you take your spoon and you run it along the inside of the pot, it looks like white snow on the tip of your spoon, and that's when you'll know the sugar syrup is ready. If you let it go too long, it's going to get very hard and it's going to crystallize way faster than you expect it to. So once it reaches that stage, pour it onto the kurma and you're going to toss to coat. Now if your house is hot, it's going to take longer for this to coat the kurma. So I suggest putting a fan to blow on the kurma while you're mixing it. It actually helps you coat that kurma faster with that sugar syrup. So I hope you guys understood all of the tips that I told you guys about. The main one is taking that wooden spoon and scraping it on the inside of the pot to see that snow or that white snow-like forming on the spoon, and that's when you'll know the sugar is ready. Once you see that, a little bit of it, it's ready. So if you guys have any other ideas for upcoming tips videos, please leave it in the comments section down below. Thank you so much and I wish you luck.